We depend on these coral reefs, one of the most biodiverse habitats on Earth, to survive because they create stability in our marine ecosystems. Ocean acidification makes coral thinner and weaker, leaving coral reefs more vulnerable to breakage and death, along with a quarter of all marine life that rely on it. This occurs when carbon dioxide from fossil fuels is absorbed into the ocean and reacts to eventually create bicarbonate and hydrogen ions. Let's bring these ocean samples back to the lab. The ocean is slightly basic, but when we add carbon dioxide into the atmosphere like we do with carbonated water, the pH decreases and becomes more acidic. Normally, polyps filter in seawater filled with calcium, carbonate, and bicarbonate ions into their calcifying space, where they build aragonite crystals to form their calcium carbonate skeleton. Corals can either obtain carbonate from free carbonate ions or by breaking apart bicarbonate and removing excess hydrogen in the calcifying space. When bicarbonate dissociates in the calcifying space, they have to use calcium ATPase to exchange hydrogen for calcium to decrease the acidity. As ocean acidification increases hydrogen concentrations, the amount of usable carbonate decreases. Now, the calcium ATPase needs to work harder to create those same structures. One study found that corals that could better regulate their calcium ATPases and pump more calcium to remove excess hydrogen are potentially more resistant. If we can better understand how coral and calcium ATPases function, we can better understand how to save them.